Hey Tribe, do you remember this Woodland cardigan, my design from 2017? Yesterday I took it out and layering it on top of my BFF bra and these sunny short pants. So I thought it would be fun to do this color with you on our Facebook group. You know, like we're gonna hang out together and we can post a daily working in progress. I also encouraging you to write your feeling while you're working on this pattern, as well as ask questions and answer questions, and just to be there and to help each other to grow. Learning to give advice, receive help from others, learning to solve the problem together, and basically just to be there together and grow together as a strong crochet tribe. This way you get to know each other and learn to connect in the deeper level. Besides all of that good vibes above, I'm going to do a giveaway of all the written patterns of what I'm wearing right now. You can see the picture also. I'm going to do a giveaway for those who are finished this process before anyone else. So the first pattern is Woodland cardigan, and the second one is BFF bra, and the third one is sunny short pants. And the sunny short pants, as I said, is gonna come out next week. So yeah, I think it's just gonna be fun. You're gonna practice your crochet skill. We're gonna hang out together. You're gonna learn how to write the beautiful captions and share your feeling. You're gonna learn how to give advice to each other. You're gonna learn how to receive advice from the other person. You know, like using the internet in a way that we can help each other to grow, not to just scroll down and see the thing what other people post and feel bad about ourselves, but to really use the internet to grow and to practice your skill, to practice what you love to do. And this case is crochet, and I really recommend you to join us. And you perhaps wonder how many winners gonna be in this crochet along. Well, it depends on how many participants. You find all the info in the links below this video. All the info will be in our Facebook group, because it's so much. I cannot explain everything in this video. It's otherwise going to be so much information for you. So I'm just going to let you know that the more people participate in this crochet along, the more winners will be, because more people doing it, I will give more written pattern. So you find all the info in the crochet group. Make sure you check it out. And one thing you have to keep in mind, my beautiful friends, when you request to join our Facebook group, you need to answer the questions. I don't think this is too much to ask, hey, because you know, our Facebook group, this group, I want to treat it, or I am treating it as our private living room. And before you can enter to our private living room, you got to show us a little bit of your interest, why you here. You know, it's nice before you enter someone else's house, you just have to introduce yourself a little bit. And our way to get to know you is just ask you these questions, and yeah, just give a minute to show us your love. All of that being said, you find all the links below this video. And if you don't have time to join the crochet along, you can make this beautiful cardigan by following this video tutorial. I already made this video tutorial long time ago to share it with you. You can just follow that video. I also have a written pattern on my blog. It's a free written pattern on my blog. You can just check it out. The link will be under this video as well. And if you want to get a printable PDF file version, you can get it from my Ravelry and Etsy shops. And also comment below if you still want me to make a video tutorial of this BFF bra, and maybe perhaps also these sunny short pants as well. What do you think? Comment everything below and I will read all through your comments. You know I will. You know I always read. I always reply to your comments. So let me know if you want it, and I will do my best to make that happen for you.